Is it a good idea to start an online business now? Now might be the perfect time to start an online business. Entrepreneurs can fill up different industries and niches in the online market space. Here are 3 reasons why now is a great time to either launch a podcast, become an app developer, go into affiliate marketing, or launch an idea that can bloom into a successful online business. 1. Plenty of opportunities. The pandemic has made it evident that many things can work online, and this is the best time to start a business in the comfort of your home. 2. It's easier to sell and buy things online. The e-commerce business model was widely adopted during the COVID era, as many brick-and-mortar businesses had to close and many people had to buy online. 3. Advanced technology. Technology companies and financial institutions are becoming more advanced in supporting e-commerce businesses. Now it's easier to start an online store and take payments easily with minimal setup. Today our topic is top best online bus scenes to start as a beginner. Number 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to make money online without the need to invest or buy products in advance. With a dropshipping business you can sell online by taking customers' orders and then seek out a third party, wholesaler or retailer who handles the inventory handling and order fulfillment side of the business. You will have to sell at a higher price than the third-party supplier for this method to work. Number 2. Offer online ads optimization services. With the business world going digital, many entrepreneurs have to leverage different tools to boost their online presence. Online optimization involves creating strategic ads relevant to your potential customers in order to boost sales with online ad optimization techniques like keyword advertising (KWA). Business owners can help customers find them easily. Number 3. Suck Consulting. If you have a good knowledge of such search engine optimization, you might consider starting a consulting business for companies with websites. With the rise in online business, many companies and brands are obsessed with staying ahead of their competitors by ranking high and turning their searches into customers. However, only a small percentage of these people have in-depth knowledge of subschema link building and other digital marketing methods. Number 4. Virtual online training. It is easier than ever for anyone to start a business with or without business experience in this online age. The cool thing about starting an online business is the freedom to make money from anywhere. However, there are plenty of small business ideas out there, and deciding on one can be quite a task. Number 5. Start your own pet business online. Many people regard their pets as companions, a part of the family, which explains why the pet industry is booming. 6. Pet owners, especially in the United States, love spending money on their pets. So whether you love pets or not, you can profit from selling pet products and supplies online. Some pet products to consider are pet food and treats, toys, beds, litter, etc. Number 6. Become a freelance app developer. Web designer technology has made app and software development a great niche to start a business. Online also, more and more companies need to have developers to create mobile apps and websites. Chances are anyone who wants to start an online business at this time would need a website, and they may not have the technical know-how to create it on their own. Also, existing sites are always looking to upgrade and improve their sites to meet customers' needs. Number 7. Freelance graphic designer writer. It is easier than ever for anyone to start a business with or without business experience in this online age. The cool thing about starting an online business is the freedom to make money from anywhere. However, there are plenty of small business ideas out there, and deciding on one can be quite a task. Number 8. Sell secondhand items online. Another great business idea for beginners is selling thrift and secondhand items online. Rather than dump used or decluttered items, people now prefer to offer them to second users second-hand. Items can range from home decor items to clothes and electronics. You can decide to specialize in different products or pick a niche depending on your choice. Meanwhile, the best way to establish yourself in the second-hand market is by selling products, usually in high demand. Number 9. DIY craft seller. Do you love design and crafts, art and aesthetics? Now is a great time to build a storefront to showcase and sell handmade crafts or art. If you have beautiful handcraft you make at home, you can sell them on any e-commerce store, and if you can't make the goods yourself, you can get a supplier and sell it online. Also, creatives like photographers and artists can convert their beautiful works and canvases into a source of income on their own e-commerce store. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works through recommending a product or service by sharing the referral link on your blog, social media, email, or other platforms. For every time someone clicks your referral link or makes an order through the link, you get a commission. Many businesses are looking for affiliate marketers to help them generate customers through effective word-of-mouth marketing.